Welcome to Money Pulse. I'm UF, and I'm here to help you take more control of your financial future. Imagine swapping your 9 to 5 grind for a side hustle that pays your bills and gives you freedom to live life on your terms. Sounds like a dream? It's not. As a Money Pulse viewer, you're ready to turn side hustles into full-time income. Today, I'm sharing 5 evergreen side hustle ideas: freelancing, tutoring, e-commerce, and more alongside special tips to scale them into a business that could replace your day job. Stick around till the end, and you will have a roadmap to start earning serious cash. Do not click away, as this could be that video that kickstarts your financial freedom with Money Pulse. Now, let us drive right in. At Money Pulse, we are aware a single income isn't enough in today's economy. Whether you're a student or a 9-to-5 worker or a random Money Pulse subscriber building wealth, side hustles are your ticket to extra cash and, eventually, a full-time gig. Perks are you don't need a big investment or fancy degrees, just a laptop, internet, and some hustle. In this video, we will dive into side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, and e-commerce that work anywhere, with my own personal tips to help you scale them into a sustainable business. I will also share affiliate programs you can join to boost your earnings. Let's get that Money Pulse flowing. This first tip might be the perfect fit for your skills. First up is freelancing. If you can write, design, code, or manage social media, you can work for clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are very popular and can connect you to businesses needing skills like content writing or graphic design. A freelance writer can earn $50 per article, and with 10 articles a month, that's $500, enough to cover major expenses. Here's my personal tip. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work and join platforms like freelancer.com and Toptal. Upskill with online courses to offer high-demand services like SEO or web development. I personally use Skillshare's affiliate program to promote their courses and earn up to $67 per referral. Skillshare is globally accessible and has a lot of payment methods you usually won't see. Pro tip: start small, build reviews, and raise your rates. You could soon earn $1,000 to $5,000 monthly with international clients. And if freelancing isn't your vibe, the next hustle might surprise you. Next up, online tutoring. If you're skilled in math, English, coding, or niche topics like photography, you can teach students globally. Platforms like Preply and italki let you set rates at $10 to $20 per hour. Teach 5 students a week, and that sums up to $200 to $400 a month. Top tutors can earn over $20,000 yearly just by this side hustle. Here's my personal tip: record lessons and sell them as courses on platforms like Teachable or Skillshare, which I mentioned earlier on, for passive income. Promote your services on social media to attract students. Now, this next hustle could turn your smartphone into a cash machine. A personal favorite: e-commerce. E-commerce is a gold mine, and dropshipping makes it easy. Set up an online store on Shopify. You can sell products like electronics or fashion. Great part is suppliers ship directly, no inventory needed. So selling just 20 items a month at a $10 profit, each nets you $200. Take this too. Focus on a niche like tech gadgets or beauty products and market through Instagram. Use tools like Spocket for reliable suppliers. Join Shopify's affiliate program to earn up to $150 per referral. Shopify is globally accessible, pays via PayPal or bank transfer, and is ideal. Then reinvest some or most of profits into ads to scale your store. The next 2 hustles are perfect for creative Money Pulse minds. As a channel owner, affiliate marketing is a no-brainer. Promote products in your videos, your blog, or social media, and earn commissions per sale. Programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank let you promote gadgets or digital courses, earning $50 to $500 monthly with the right strategy. And of course, my tip, build content around a niche like tech or fitness. Create reviews or tutorials on your channel to drive clicks. Pin affiliate links in video descriptions and comments. Post consistently and optimize for SEO to grow your audience. The final hustle could be your ticket to passive income, Money Pulse fam. Finally, supercharge your channel. Create videos on tech reviews or tutorials, kind of content that resonates with your audience. With a 100,000 views a month, you could earn $300 to $2,000 from ads alone, plus affiliate income. You can start with a smartphone and basic lighting. Equipment can cost as little as $100. Join the YouTube Partner Program and promote affiliate products like Skillshare or Shopify. Post consistently, engage with viewers, and use analytics to refine your content. Next up are the key points that can make these hustles happen for you. To turn these side hustles into a 9 to 5 replacement, Money Pulse style, here's what you need. 1. Start small. Begin with low-cost, low-capital hustles like freelancing or affiliate marketing. 2. Upskill. Find and take online courses on Skillshare to boost your skills. 3. Market smart. Use your channel and social media to reach clients. 4. Be consistent. Post regularly on YouTube or affiliate content to build an audience. Consistency is key. 5. Reinvest profits. Use your earnings or some of it to scale, like investing in ads for e-commerce. Remember, the secret to replacing your 9 to 5 with a side hustle is consistency, upskilling, and reinvesting profits. Start small. Leverage platforms like Skillshare and Shopify, and watch your income grow with Money Pulse. Retention line. Don't miss the call to action. It's your first step to financial freedom with Money Pulse. Okay, that's it. Money Pulse fam. 5 side hustles to replace your 9 to 5 income. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or growing your YouTube channel, start today. Join Skillshare's affiliate program to promote courses or Shopify to promote e-commerce. Drop a comment. Which side hustle are you starting? Hit that like button, subscribe to Money Pulse, and ring the bell for more wealth building tips. Let's make 2025 your year of financial freedom with Money Pulse.